So guys, I am taking you where we located our earth rod wire. So be very keen, guys. See, this is our earth rod. You see it inside a PVC pipe. See guys, well earthed, prevents earth leakage. So guys, I want to take you also. You see the point for fire alarm. So this is the lobby area. Lift. This is the lift, guys. Lift. First lift, second lift. Between the two lifts, guys, we have a point there. See there, manual hold point. It's down. Regulars will be there, and the sounder or bell will be there. Incoming, this is addressable. Incoming and outgoing. So this is just the ground floor. Up we'll have this is basement. Up we'll have the ground floor. The building is ongoing, so watch, guys. So I want to take you to all point, to socket, where the socket point is. So guys, you see that point is a socket. Let me zoom so that you can see it. This is the socket, guys. Guys, this is the DP switch. One point is here. So this is the structure, guys. Another point is there. So guys, socket. This is socket. This is socket, guys. Double pole socket. We have the T switch, guys. The T switch, we have socket. So underground tank have 3 DP switches. So guys, this is the structure, guys. If you like this video, guys, please share to many friends. See guys, how the basement, the ground floor is supported. So we are about to do the slabbing. So this timber is to hold the slab, the concrete. It is supported with this metal with M. Also we have Y10 metals. See guys, supporting the structure. And down here we have the slab, concrete slab. So down here at the basement, we are going to have lights controlled by photocell and timer. So guys, subscribe to my channel. We are road to 4,000 subscribers. Line tu moja line ziko line hapo iko chini hiyo kupanua na hiyo line tu moja line ziko line hapo iko chini Walter, kuna zile tumeweka kwa moto na kuna bits zingine huko. Si battery siko. Utaona hiyo video. Sita ule moja. Wale kuna simu ngapi? Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you like it guys, hit that subscription button. Subscribe guys, share this video to many. For the learners, this is the trick, life hack.
So if you need such kind of job, guys, if you have a building and maybe or you have a plan, you want to install electrical, fire, you can contact us through our mobile number, which is 0716771810, or SMS us through our email address, which is optechappliances@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.